It is Miss Lambert again to do some science with you. So at the beginning of the week this week, we have really talked about the difference between loud and soft sounds. We've looked at some pictures and thought about different ways sounds are made. And today we're going to focus on the question, how can we make loud and soft sounds? How can we make loud and soft sounds? We're going to talk about a fancy word today. And that fancy word is the word volume. Write that word up here. Volume. Volume is kind of like when you are at home watching TV and you can't hear it. So your mom might turn up the volume with the remote. Or the TV might be too loud for you and she might turn the volume down. Okay? When we turn up the volume, it gets louder. When we turn it down, it gets softer or quieter, okay? So we're going to talk about that and how you have learned about volume. And sometimes we talk about the word mute. That means there's no sound at all. All right, so we're going to look at an instrument today. And this is an instrument, and it's called a xylophone. Xylophone starts with an X. But you can't hear that sound, okay? But a xylophone is an instrument, okay? And it's an instrument that plays music. And so I'm going to show you how this xylophone works, okay? So this is a mallet, okay? It kind of looks like a drumstick, but it has a special type of figure on the end of it. And so all you do with a xylophone is you can drag the mallet back and forth. You can hit it, okay? If you've ever seen some wind chimes hanging outside of someone's house and the wind might blow and it may make the chimes hit back and forth, that's what Miss Lambert's hitting on her mallet right now, and it's called a chime, okay? So we're going to talk today about volume and how the harder I hit, the sound goes up, but the softer I hit, the sound goes down, okay? Now, what I really want you to remember is that volume is changed by us. We control the volume of a sound. So the louder I talk, the volume goes up. And the quieter I talk, the volume goes down. Think about a guitar. A guitar is just like a xylophone. It's an instrument that I can make that guitar sound loud or I can make it sound really, really soft, okay? So what you're going to get to do in your black and white journal is you're going to get to draw yourself a xylophone and talk about how can we make those loud and soft sounds, okay? Well, we can use volume. Volume is a way that we can control how loud we do something or how soft we do it, okay? So what you're going to do after you watch this video tomorrow, you're going to put your very own xylophone in your science journal. Okay, and Miss Lambert's going to give you an example because remember, none of us are artists, okay, or illustrators. And so what I want you to do is draw yourself a xylophone, okay? I can't wait to see you next time. Bye.